Hello, this is Taiki, and I'm going to be going over sprint number 23. Zakariah is playing a game of cat and mouse with his younger sister, Liyana, in the living room. Actually, instead of reading the whole question, what I'm gonna do is skip it and go to the solution. So we see that in 4 moves, Zakariah takes 1 move per turn and Liyana takes 2 moves per turn, but that means that in total, Zakariah takes 4 total moves while Liyana takes 8 total moves. As a result, in total, they take 12 total moves. But note that in total, that's also the number of moves that it takes to go from Z to L in the actual grid here. This means that if we take just a standard move from Z to L, going only down and right for each turn, that actually constitutes 1 way for Zakariah and Liyana to actually take their moves. So, in particular, if we take a move like this, for example, then we can break it up so that the first 4 actual moves are Zakariah's, and the last 8 moves here are Liyana's. Another thing to note is we can't have anything different because the only other way for them to move is if they go backwards, like up or left for Zakariah or down and right for Liyana. This is not possible because that would create more moves and more wasteful moves so that they can't actually get to a meeting point. So as a result, the answer will just be 12 to 6 because that's the number of ways to go down 6 moves and go right 6 moves. And this equals 924. And we're done.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.